boys. Okay, today we are going to do a sour cream and lime chicken skewers. Now you can do this with pork or chicken. Okay. A bit of meat, but chopped up steak bites or something with a bit of, a bit of parsley, pasta. Yeah. So we might as well start cooking, and it's going to be beautiful. We're going to do it over the coals, which have got fuck all. So if shit goes to plan and you run out of coals, use your barbecue. And if shit goes out of plan with your barbecue because you run out of gas, use your Greenland. If you haven't got a fucking, just get a fry pan. Which I might have to finish off in here. I've got big ass fucking skewers the size of fucking King Kong scrotum. Anyways, what we need is one lemon, garlic mince, sour cream, parsley, cracked pepper, coriander, and chicken. So we'll chop all this up, get it all going, and I'll tell you what it is. Not what it is. How much it put in? Fuck off. Alright. So I'm going to chop up the chicken. Alright. Like a tender. Just cut it like that. Alright. So something like this. You go straight there, right? So you flip it over. You look at it like a tender. And boom. Just like that. Someone's coming in. Hang on 2 seconds, guys. Alright, so yeah, little boy there. He's watching it. So little chunks like that. Over strong heat. We're looking at 350, 400, 500, 600 plus. But at least 350 they put out when the beads more. You're looking at 2 minutes cooked. And yeah. Bob's your fucking uncle. But he could be your auntie. Fucking perverts. We're nearly done. Yeah. Right, so we've done one. Go like that. Looks fine. Right. Okay, so now what we do is we add lemon zest. Actually, we'll go sour cream. Okay, shout your guts. We'll go sour cream, 3 tablespoons. Boom, like that. Then we'll go lime juice. Oh yeah, hang on. We've got lime juice. And we've got red wine. Okay. Then, don't even know where I'm up to. Melinda, hang on, my baby girl. That's my niece, Kiara. Beautiful little girl. Okay. So far I've put in 3 tablespoons. Shush. Hey, Marty, don't do that, please. Hey, is there something wrong with you? You don't put something in the... What's wrong with you, bro?
Why?
Don't do that.
Why?
Because it's going to grab in the freaking fan and it's going to twirl around and go and blow up, brah. What's wrong with you? You got issues or something? I know you're my son. But you got... Oh, man, that explains it all. You got freaking issues. Bruh. What's wrong? Anyways. Let me put it in half. Alright, so one lime. Lime's not red. As I said, I'll probably point that out before because I got bothered. Anyway, you got about a tablespoon of that. And lemon juice. Oh, you lemon juice half. And one lime. Which I've got to put another half in of lime. Okay. Parsley, fresh, tablespoon, chopped. We've done the lemon juice of one, coriander. Now, I was going to get coriander, as in coriander. I want coriander seeds. A bit stronger. Teaspoon one. I thought that smelled funny, like pepper. I'll just put pepper in. 1 teaspoon. That's coriander seeds. Coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon. My bad. Oil, 1 tablespoon. And then we go garlic minced, 2 tablespoons actually. 2 tablespoons. It's meant to be 1, but we'll go 2 because garlic's the bomb. Then we go sea salt normally. I've got Malayan salt. 1. Yep, hang on, Sonny. 1 teaspoon. And we've done 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper. What have I gone? Zest? Yeah, I've gone lime juice. Oh yeah, because I added this. Alright, so we're going to add this. This is going to be... I reckon 1 teaspoon. Oh, come on. Am I good or what? Am I good or what? 1 teaspoon. I'm chucking in. Okay? And that's what that yumminess looks like. Fuck! Smells good. Okay, so after all that mix, yum, look at that. We'll put them on the skewers and look, you can cook them on a fry pan. You don't have to do them over coals or open charcoal or wood or anything like that. You can just do them like that. It's still going to taste nice. Okay, so I'm coming. Simple. Here we go. Adding the this. Stick it through like that. Yum. Big skewers. We can get little skewers. Doesn't matter. There you go. come up beautiful. Now I'm just cooking off that, doing that. And some skewer, sriracha, mayo, guys. Oh yeah. With a bit of cheesy. There you go, that's sitting on that, yummy and crusty. Oh yeah. What's the cup there? Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Oh yeah, look at that little bit of smoke. So you will get a bit of toast, or use a toaster, guys, or a grill underneath the grill. You can do it like that, or you can have it whatever you want. I showed you before on the inside. You can have it whatever however you want. You can have it on the skewer, and eat it like on the skewer. Or just eat it like that, baby boys.